The quality of the output largely depends on the quality of the ingredients. Like when you're cooking, then great food largely depends on the ingredients that you put in, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not a great cook, but that's what I've heard. And that's the same thing with everything else. Like for instance, in our business, in my appointment setting business, our Done For You, where we set appointments for coaches, consultants, and agencies, we pride ourselves in giving very, very great quality leads and highly targeted. The only way we can do that is because we have great setters. I have great setters. So what I put into the setters is shown in the output that we're getting, which is why my setters, they have access for free to our 12K program to improve their skills, besides the coaching that I and my head setter is giving. So if you're a coach or consultant or agency and looking for highly qualified leads, then book a call and I'll tell you how. And give me a like, follow, subscribe.